Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today my this lecture is about Dawn newspaper vocabularies. In this lecture, I will provide words meaning in Urdu and also its important synonym. Let's start. Maverick. Maverick means azad khayal, azad rehne wala. The synonym of maverick are individualist, non-conformist, free spirit, unorthodox person, unconventional person, while the antonym of maverick is conformist. Gaudi. Gaudi means barkila, portakalluf. The synonym of Gaudi are garish, lurid, loud, overbright, glaring, harsh, violent, while the antonym of Gaudi are tasteful. Stifle. Stifle means दबाव डालना, बीखकनी, सख्ती से कचलना. The synonym of stifle are suffocate, choke, very hot, while the antonym of stifle are cooled, chilly. Abdiction. Abdiction means दस्तबरदार होना, तख्त छोड़ना, अलहदा होना. The synonym of abdiction are resignation, retirement, relinquishment, renunciation, giving up, surrender, objection, while the antonym of abdication or coronation. Echelon. Echelon means तरतीब देना, तबके या इख्तियार का दर्जा. The synonym of echelon are level, rank, grade, step, while the antonyms of echelon are unemployment. Populace. Populace means awam nas, aam log. Synonym of populace are population, inhabitants, residents, natives, occupants, occupiers, community, country, while the antonyms of populace is a list, society, fate, peerage, pride. Groan. Groan means karahna, gham ki awaz. The synonym of groan is muan, murmur, ween, whimper, bleat, sigh, while the antonym of groan are giggle, crack, chuckle, laugh. Strenuous. Strenuous means sakht mehnati, tawana. Synonym of strenuous are arduous, difficult, hard, tough, taxing, demanding, exacting, uphill, stiff, formidable, while the antonyms of strenuous are easy, effortless, half-hearted, feeble. Beleaguer. Beleaguer means chirna, tang karna, muhasira karna. Synonym of beleaguer are besieged, undersieged, blockaded, surrendered, while the antonym of beleaguer is emancipate, free, liberate. Culminate. Culminate means एख्तिताम पजीर होना, ऊंच पर होना. Synonym of culminate are come to a climax, come to a crescendo, come to a herd, reach a final, peak, climax, while the antonym of culminate are start, begin, peter out. Inalienable. Inalienable means नाकाबिल मापी, नाकाबिल इंतकाल. The synonym of inalienable are inviolable, absolute, sacrosanct, while the antonym of inalienable, negotiable, alienable. Indulgence. Indulgence means lizzat, shauq, ikhtiyar. The synonym of indulgence are satisfaction, satisfying, gratification, while the antonym of indulgence is denial, moderation. Conducive. Conducive means madadgar, bais. The synonym of conducive are good for, help to, useful for, while the antonym of conducive are unfavorable. Spasm. Spasm means marod, kachot. Synonym of spasm are contraction, thews, cramp, twitch, jerk, tick, shudder, shiver. Divisio. Divisio means tafraqamez, baise taqsim. The synonym of divisio are alienating, estranging, isolating, schismatic, discordant, while the antonym of divisio are unifying. Dilapidated. Dilapidated means khastahal, tuta puta, inhidam. The synonym of dilapidated are run down, tumble down, shabby, battered, while the antonym of dilapidated or smart intact. Slacken means आहिस्ता होना, कम होना, सुस्त होना. Synonym of slacken or loosen, make looser, relax, release, while the antonym of slacken or tighten. Myriad means हजार ha, बेशुमार, सद हजार. The synonym of myriad are crowd, mass, a lot, scores, multitude, while the antonym of myriad are calculable, countless, infinite. Egregious means fash, काबिल मज़म्मत, बहुत बुरा. The synonym of egregious is shocking, appalling, horrific, horrifying, horrible, terrible, awful, dreadful, while the antonym of egregious is marvelous. Bellicose means पर्देबाज, लड़ाकू. The synonym of bellicose are belligerent, aggressive, hostile, threatening, antagonistic, truculent, while the antonym of bellicose is peaceable. Indulge means mutmain karna, khush karna. The synonym of indulge is wallow in, give oneself up to, give way to, yield to, while the antonym of indulge is stifle. Dissuade means khatam karna, mana karna, rokna, hail hona. The synonym of dissuade is discourage, deter, prevent, while the antonym of dissuade is encourage. Cultivate means kasht karna, parvarish karna, jutna. The synonym of cultivate are till, plow, dig, turn, hoe, farm, work, prepare, fertilize, while the antonym of cultivate is ignore. Rivalry means dushmani, takkar, raqabat, while the synonym of rivalry are competitiveness, competition, opposition, conflict, struggle, strife. The antonym of rivalry are cooperation, harmony, calm, peace, concord. Imbroglio means gatti, pichida mamla. The synonym of imbroglio are complicated situation, compilation, while the antonym of imbroglio is agreement, ease, harmony, peace. Consent means razamandi, इकरार करना, राजी होना. The synonym of consent is agree to, assent, allow to, give permission for. The antonym of consent are dissent, forbid, deride means तज़हीक करना, मजाक उड़ाना. The synonym of deride are ridicule, mock, jeer, make fun of, while the antonym of deride are respect, praise, despise means हकीर जानना, नापसंद करना. The synonym of despise are detest, hate, loathe, L-O-A-T-H-E, loathe, abhor, abomination, while the antonym of despise are like, respect. Pessimist means mayus, kantutiyat. Synonym of pessimist is defeatist, fatalist, alarmist, cynic, doomster, while the antonym of pessimist is optimist. Discrepancy means ikhtilaf, farak, tazad. The synonym of discrepancy is difference, disparity, variance, variation, deviation, disagreement. The antonym of discrepancy are similarity, correspondence. Notorious means badnaam zamana, maroof. The synonym of notorious is infamous, of ill repute, with a bad reputation, ill-famed, well-known. The antonym of notorious is unknown, anonymous, faceless. Excoriate means jalt uderna, kal chilna, excoriate. The synonym of excoriate is abrade, rub away, rub off, rub raw, scrape, while the antonym of excoriate is praise, approve of. Conspicuous means wazeh, numaya, namor. Synonym of conspicuous is easily seen, clear, visible, clarity, visible, clearly visible, standing out, noticeable, observable, while antonym of conspicuous is inconspicuous. lackadaisical. Lackadaisical means masnui nazakat ka, fikrmand. The synonym of lackadaisical are careless, lazy, lax, while the antonym of lackadaisical is excited, enthusiastic. Fatigue. Fatigue means thakawat, thakan, kamzuri. Synonym of fatigue are tire, tire out, exhaust, wear out, drain, make weary, wash out. Antonym of fatigue are invigorant, refresh. Impulsive. Impulsive means aman ki ख्वाहिश, मनमाना, मन की ख्वाहिश पर मनमाना, उकसाया हुआ. The synonym of impulsive are impetuous, spontaneous, hasty, while the antonym of impulsive are cautious, premeditated. Abysmal. Abysmal means इंतहाई, बेपाया, बेइंतहा. Synonym of abysmal are very bad, dreadful, awful, terrible, frightful, deplorable, while antonym of abysmal is superb. Lackluster. Lackluster means बेनूर, बेजोश, खुश, डलमल, यकीन. The synonym of lackluster are dull, humdrum, colorless, while the antonym of lackluster is brilliant. Bungle. Bungle means fash, गलती, अनाड़ीपन से काम लेना. Synonym of bungle is mishandle, mismanaging, make a mess of. Antonym of bungle is succeed in, manage successfully. Confound. Confound means हैरान कुन, मुंतशिर करना. A synonym of confound is amaze, astonish, dumbfound, stagger, surprise, startle, stun, daze. The antonym of confound are arrange, classify, orderly, allocate, distribute. Acrimonious. Acrimonious means tond, tez, taklif deh. The synonym of acrimonious is bitter, caustic, acerbic, scathing, acid, harsh, sharp, while the antonym of acrimonious is smooth, sweet, pleasant, good nature. Illicit. Illicit means wazih, zahir karna, kholna. Synonym of illicit is obtain, bring out, draw out, extract, evoke, bring about, while the antonym of illicit is hide, placate, repress, cover. Lethargy. Lethargy means susti, gunudgi, kahili. Synonym of lethargy is sluggishness, inherent, inactive, while the antonym of lethargy is vigorous, energy, animation. Deficit. Deficit means akasi karna, surat bayan karna, manzarkashi karna. Synonym of deficit is portray, represent, picture, illustrate, delineate, outline, while the antonym of deficit is exaggerate. Protract. Protract mean tawil karna, der karna. The synonym of protract is prolong, extend the duration of, drought, lengthen, while the antonym of protract or protract or curtail, shut down, shorten. Enshrine. Enshrine mean mutabarrak समझकर महफूज कर लेना, अहाता करना. Synonym of enshrine is sit down, sit out, spill out, express, while antonym of enshrine are imperil, hazard, jeopardize. Offender. Offender mean mujrim, gunangar, khatakar. A synonym of offender is wrongdoer, criminal, lawbreaker, malefactor, while the antonym of offender is lawman. Scarcely. Scarcely means शाज़ और नादर ही, वक्त से, दिक्कत से, scarcely. A synonym of scarcely is hardly, barely, only just, almost not, while the antonym of scarcely is often. Exploitation. Exploitation means istishal, फायदा या नफा उठाना. The synonym of exploitation are taking advantage, making use, abuse of, misuse, ill treatment, while the antonym of exploitation is bore, bimmer, bust, drag. Perpetrate. Perpetrate means irtikab karna, murtakab hona. Synonym of Perpetrate is commit, carry out, perform, while the antonym of perpetrate is baffle, defeat, destroy. Forecast means आकिबत अंदीशी. फ्लड लाइट मीन बड़ी तेज़ रोशनी जो किसी इमारत, खेल के मैदान, स्टेज वगैरह को रोशन करे. फ्लड लाइट. फ्लोरिश मीन सरसबद होना. फ्रेजाइल मीन बूदा, नाजुक, कमज़ोर. फ्लाउंडर मीन लूटना. फॉरगिवनेस मीन तर्क, माफी. कैजुअल मीन चापलूसी, धोखा देना. Synonym of cajole is persuade, wheedle, coax, talk into, while antonym of cajole is bully. Horrendous means khaufnak, dashatnak, holknak. Synonym of horrendous is horrible, dreadful, horrifying, horrific, while antonym of horrendous is calming, confronting. Predecessor means peshro, sabiqa. Synonym of predecessor is forerunner, precursor, antecedent, while the antonym of predecessor is successor. Negligible means ना होने के बराबर, नाकाबिल ज़िक्र, मामूली सा. Synonym of negligible is trivial, trifling, insignificant, unimportant, minor, while antonym of negligible is considerable. Vigilant means chokna, होशियार, चौकस. Synonym of vigilant is watchful, observant, sharp-eyed, eagle-eyed, while antonym of vigilant is negligent, inattentive. Dissonant means nahamwari, bijod. Synonym of dissonant is inharmonious, while antonym of dissonant is harmonious. Complacent means asuda khatir, mutmain, khatir jami. Synonym of complacent is smug, while antonym of complacent is humble. Abundance means kasrat, firawani. Synonym of abundance are profusion, plentifulness, profusenousness, copiousness, amplitude, affluence, lavishness, while antonym of abundance is lack, scarcity. Rampant means wakhshiyana, zyada, bepra. Synonym of rampant are uncontrolled, unrestrained, unchecked, unbridled, while antonym of rampant are controlled, under control. Unbridled means belagam, bezabat. Synonym of unbridled are uncontrolled. Scarcity means killat, kami, kalil. Adversary means mukhalif, raqib, harib. Synonym of adversary is opponent, rival, enemy, foe, while antonym of adversary are ally, supporter. Denounce means muzammat karna, elaniya, khilaf bolna, mukhbari karna. Synonym of denounce are condemn, criticize, attack, censure, castigate, decry, vilify, besmirch, while antonym of denounce is praise. Erstwhile means पुराने वक्तों का, उससे पहले. Synonym of erstwhile is former, old, past, one time, sometime, as was. Antonym of erstwhile or present, future. Glorify means tasbih karna, tazim wa takrim karna, तारीफ करना, hamad. Synonym of glorify are give praise to, praise, extol, exalt, loud, worship, reverence, venerate, while antonym of glorify are dishonor, vilify. Urban means muhazzab, khaliq. Synonym of urban are suave, sophisticated, debonair, worldly, elegant, while antonym of urban are uncouth, unsophisticated, boorish. Defamation means badnami, raswai, bohtan. Synonym of defamation are libel, slander, character assassination, defamation of character, calumny, vilification, while antonym of defamation is commendation. Haste means jaldi, purti. Synonym of haste or speed, hastiness, hurry, hurriness, while antonym of haste is slowness, delay. Cagey means chalak, while a synonym of cagey is secretive, guarded, tight-lipped, reticent, cautious. And antonym of cagey are frank, open. Skepticism means शक की नज़र से देखना, लाइरादी. Synonym of skepticism are doubt, doubtfulness, dubiousness. And antonym of skepticism is conviction, belief, faith. Reluctant means adel, narazmand. Synonym of reluctant is unwilling, disinclined, grudging, opposed, while antonym of reluctant are willing, eager, ready. Intrigue means sazish, fareb, resha dawani. Synonym of intrigue are interest, fascinate, while antonym of intrigue is bore. Limpid means shifaf, wazih. Lineage means shajarai nasab. Libertine means अखलाक के और जिनसी मामलात में आज़ाद. Licentious means कानून या अखलाक की कैद से आज़ाद. Limber means लचकदार बनना या लचकदार होना. Liable means जिम्मेदार, सजावार. Temerity means अखमकाना एतकाद. Temper means मोतदिल बनाना, नरम करना. Denigrate means बदनाम करना. Frenzy means आर्जी जुनून. Fraud means भरा हुआ मामूर. Sibling बहन भाई. शेर पहलता ही करना, कतरा जाना. Simulate means बनावटी तौर पर जाहिर करना. Decorum means noun. Decorum means आदाब मजलिस, सलीका. Decry means नुक्स निकालना, मुरम्मत करना. Ceaselessly means लगातार, मुस्तकिल. Censure means मलामत करना. Saga means दास्तान. Salubrious means राहत बख्श. Salvation means निजात, बचाओ. Sal means मरहम रख कर आराम देना. Sanctimonious is रियाकार. Sanction means तस्दीक. Sanctity means तक़द्दुस. Sanctuary means पनागाह. Sanctum means मुक़द्दस मुकाम. Sancfroid means दिलजमी, सुकून. Lakes बेपरवाह. Levity means गैर संजीदगी, ऊंचापन. Levitate means हवा में उठाना या उछालना. Lewd means गैर अखलाकी, जलील. Enfeeble means कमजोर करना. Synonym of enfeeble are weaken, make weak, make feeble, while antonym